Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Day 4 in Toronto, Canada. It is significantly colder today. We have had some snowfall overnight. It's like -4 now. I think we're going to start the day off by going to the gym, get a quick workout in, then we're going to go get some lunch, and then I think we have quite a lot planned for today. We actually have an ice hockey game planned for tonight. That's at 7 PM, so yeah, got quite a bit to do between now and then. So yeah, let's take you along for another daily vlog. Oh, Jesus, it's bloody cold. Let's get in the gym. Good workout. I'm so tired now. We need to go eat. Yeah, so we came to KFC. Back to the hotel. Okay, so we are back out again now, and it is absolutely freezing. -5. It is so cold. -5. I've got 4 layers on, and honestly, it's taking my breath away. It's that cold. But we're actually heading to the Scotiabank Arena for the ice hockey. It is the Maple Leafs versus whoever they're playing. I'm not too sure. Raptors?
Is it the Raptors?
No, that's the basketball. No, it's going to be fun. I don't know who they're playing, but it's going to be fun. We need to get some food at some point as well, so yeah, we'll just see you when we're there. Oh, it's cool! Okay, so stadium just down there at the bottom. Just behind us, the CN Tower. That's where we was just a couple of days ago. We made it inside. Okay, so first ever ice hockey game done. It finished Toronto Maple Leafs 5 and Florida Panthers 2. To be honest, I didn't really know what to expect going into it. Obviously, like I said, I've never been to an ice hockey game at all. I've never been to a hockey game for that matter. And yeah, I want to say it was a really good experience. I mean, the tickets for what they are a bit pricey when you compare it to like an English football game. I think it was like $120 each, I think, which is roughly about 70 to 80 pound. But it's one of those things, if you are here, you've got to do it, do you know what I mean, just to kind of get the real authentic Canadian experience. I'm pretty sure ice hockey is their national sport, so yeah, it's definitely worth coming to see. And the good thing is you kind of really get involved, you really get into it, you know, especially when you are surrounded by the home fans. You really sort of are, you know, rooting the same team as them. So yeah, it's a really really good experience. Definitely glad that I went, and glad that Toronto Maple Leafs got the result that they wanted, because I believe now they have made the playoffs, which is good. I mean, I don't really know what that means for their season, but I suppose it can't be too bad, can it? But yeah, I think now it is like 9:30 p.m. So yeah, I think we need to go and get some food.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
10 past 10.
Okay, yeah, it's after 10 o'clock now, so yeah, we do need to head back to the car. Then I think we are going to find a late night restaurant, probably Denny's, because they're open like pretty much 24 hours. Have some food, head back to the hotel, and then try and get to bed for a sensible time. Can we just take a moment to appreciate heated seats? They are so needed right now. Oh, let's get on the road, let's get some food, let's get in the warm. Okay then guys, so we did end up going to Denny's, and I think I ordered way too much food. Ordered like, I don't know, 5 or 6 plates of food. No idea why. I guess I kind of thought I haven't really eaten much today, so I need to make up for it, right? But yeah, I just feel really sick now. Hopefully I'm going to be able to sleep. I did get a little takeout box with some fruit in. It's a thing that I do like about Canada or the US. If you go to a restaurant and you don't finish your food, they will give you a takeout box, which I don't think they really do that in the UK. It's just a case of if you don't finish your food, it goes in the bin, which is a bit of a waste. I hate wasting food. That's one of my pet hates for sure. But yeah, America seemed to do that right, or Canada seemed to do that right for some reason. But yeah, we're literally going to head back to the hotel. It's only like a couple of minutes in that direction, and probably fall asleep very soon, because it's been a pretty long day. I'm tired now, and we've got another long day tomorrow. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, or if you have not, please still give it a like. I do appreciate it. Leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.